This is AACPS Digest with Monica Monk.
Hello, I'm Monica Monk, and welcome to the Anne Arundel County Public Schools Digest, bringing you news about the people and programs of Anne Arundel County Public Schools.
I wanted a pet who could run and catch, or one who could climb trees and chase strings.
In support of the Read for the Record initiative, a lineup of guest speakers, including Superintendent of Schools George Arlotto, read the children's book Not Norman, a Goldfish Story by Kelly Bennett to pre-kindergarten and kindergarten students across the county.
Dr. Arlotto was really good. We really liked him. We were reading this book because it was Read for the Record Day, and Read for the Record Day, if you're asking, is a day when all the children from all the county schools try to break the record for the people who read the books.
My favorite part of the book was when he was swimming around and around and around because it was funny.
The campaign is designed to break the world record for the number of adults and children reading the same book on the same day and to promote early literacy. Applying to college can be an overwhelming yet exciting experience, but what about students who don't have the resources to even know how to begin the process? Interim State Superintendent of Schools Jack Smith recently shared how the state can help students along the way.
The students come from a variety of backgrounds and experiences, and it's important that every student know and understand the process, and then that student can choose what he or she wants. What we don't want is students who aren't able to go because no one ever helped them understand that process and how to get to higher education.
Through the Maryland College Application Campaign, or MCAC, students receive assistance with selecting the 2- or 4-year colleges, private career schools, military programs, or registered apprenticeships that best meet their needs.
This is important for a lot of people because you have people our ages who we want to get into college, but we don't have people to go to help us with that. We know what we want, but we don't know how to get it. So when we want to apply to colleges, this program helps a lot of students who can't get help into college have someone to look up to and encourage them to go ahead and apply to colleges that they like and that they enjoy.
As a senior, we're busy with a lot of things, jobs, scholarships, our course load, and this kind of really pushes us to continue to apply, and we all know what we want, like Will said. We just need to know how to get there. And there's a lot of kids with potential out there that don't know how to get there, so this is really pushing people to be the best that they can be.
The campaign also guides parents and helps them navigate the financial aid side of the process. It is no secret that a key ingredient to student achievement is a strong relationship between home and school. Fostering that relationship is extremely valuable, and educators in the Broadneck cluster recently made a grand gesture to make sure they're reaching all families. Through a series of Leamos Juntos, or We Read Together workshops, Spanish-speaking families of elementary children gather for fun evenings of reading and refreshments.
I think outreaches like this are incredibly important. Too often, every parent feels intimidated by what's going on at school and how can we help our children, and things have changed since I've been there, and we all need some help. Hispanic families especially, because if their English is not as proficient as they'd like, they may feel like, I can't be of help to our children. But this is a way to show them it doesn't matter. It's just as helpful to speak to your children, read to your children in Spanish and to share with them. And it's all literacy. It doesn't matter which language. Literacy carries over to everything. So this is a wonderful opportunity for families to feel more empowered and to feel like they have more tools to help their kids.
The events are conducted in Spanish, all in the effort to help parents help their children be successful in the classroom. AACPS is known for its robust school meals program. It is one of only a few school systems in the country to offer fresh fruits and vegetables to students every single day. What some people may not know is that the school meals program also provides locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables as often as possible.
Partnerships are so important to us in Anne Arundel County, especially with our local farmers. Each and every day, they work so hard in the fields for us so we can serve the students everything they need to be healthy and ready to learn. Cultivating communities of wellness, it's a fact in Anne Arundel County.
It really gives us an immense feeling of pride knowing that our fruits and vegetables are going to the school system and to the small children, and that the Anne Arundel County school system has that much pride in knowing and confidence with us knowing that we're supplying good, top-notch product for the children.
A locally grown fresh fruit or vegetables also featured on the menu during the monthly Tasting of the Rainbow initiative at every school. Thank you for watching Anne Arundel County Public Schools Digest on AACPS TV.